One of the more interesting parts of the job over the summer was working on RFIs and change orders. This took up a lot of my time because we ran into a lot of issues with how the piping was designed, how it was fabricated to the designs, and how the field actually compared to what was observed before construction began. A lot of the coordinates were off. So most of the RFIs that I ran into over the summer where these spools were fabricated to previous revisions of the drawings, or the coordinates would be off, like I mentioned before. The process for RFIs that I wrote over the summer, they would start with identifying the issue, identifying that there is an issue. A lot of the times we would run into something and we'd be called out, and it would turn out there's not actually an issue. We'd go out there, we would take pictures, discuss with the foreman a proposed solution, and then I would take all that information back to the office, and I would fill out the RFI template. As you can see here on this slide, the template includes an explanation of the issue. Typically, I would also attach pictures and a marked up isometric that would show the location of the issue along the spool, an estimated cost for the proposed solution, and when they are approved, we can move forward with the work and get paid time and material for the time. And when they're denied, the engineer will give their own solution. Typically, they were not great solutions, but that's just what the client wants. And near the end of the summer, they started doing RFI walkdowns to ensure that all the RFIs and the change orders coming through were legitimate, and we weren't trying to pad our pockets, so to say. I never witnessed anything lacking integrity over the summer, but I can certainly understand why the client would feel that way because of the ridiculous amount of RFIs that were actually coming through, and I don't blame them.